Hi guys. In this session, we'll discuss about inventory control. First, I will describe about how ESG activities impact the performance of subsidiaries in multinational corporations. We'll explore how integrating environmental, social, and governance (ESG) practices into inventory systems can improve efficiency, reduce waste, and drive better financial and operational outcomes. 1. Sustainability in the supply chain. Multinational corporations adopting ESG principles often focus on sustainability in various aspects of their operations, including supply chain management. For example, environmental activities in ESG can encourage companies to optimize their inventory systems to be more efficient, reduce waste, and use resources more wisely. 2. Social responsibility in inventory systems. From the social perspective of ESG, companies may consider the social impact of their activities, including how inventory management can affect local communities. Efficient inventory management can support economic sustainability in local communities by reducing dependency on unnecessary imports, strengthening relationships with local suppliers, and creating opportunities for the company to better adapt to local market needs. 3. Good governance and transparency in inventory systems. In terms of governance, the application of transparency in inventory systems can enhance accountability and strengthen operational integrity at the company. ESG encourages companies to manage inventories transparently and in alignment with high ethical standards, while avoiding corruption or fraudulent practices in the handling of goods and materials. 4. Cost efficiency and waste reduction. ESG principles focusing on environmental and social aspects are often associated with waste reduction and resource optimization, which is also relevant to inventory management. By optimizing inventory, companies can reduce waste and operational costs, which in turn can improve both financial and non-financial performance. And then we will discuss about fixed order quantity model.
Fixed order quantity model is one of the inventory management methods in supply chain management that determines a fixed order quantity each time an order is placed. This model aims to maintain a balance between storage costs and ordering costs. Key characteristics: fixed order, reorder point, constant demand, and constant lead time.
The research by Toktekar and Rodemakers, 2020, discusses fixed order quantity models is on post-acquisition integration strategies, with an emphasis on adopting an outside-in approach to resolving integration failures. Motivations for acquisitions is accelerating growth and acquiring new skills. Strategic fit is aligning the acquired companies.
A case study demonstrates the turnaround of a failed acquisition into a success through is addressing strategic business model issues from a customer-focused perspective. The failure rate for acquisitions often due to integration challenges. Traditional corporate strategy, focusing on net present value, NPV, calculations, and synergy predictions. The article reviews reasons for acquisitions, including 1. Economic motivations is growth, acquiring new skills, market consolidation. 2. Challenges is organizational misfit, cultural clashes, and lack of post-acquisition integration strategy. 3. Key insights is strategic fit alone doesn't guarantee success.
Success factors is high levels of integration and a market-driven strategy to capture synergies. The study employs a case-based research approach is business system analysis, market validation, and employee feedback. Initial failure poor is IT, cultural, sales destruction, and over-reliance on NPV. Analytical frameworks is business model and two-step synergy framework.
Potential connection hypothetical is supply chain efficiency, aligning operational practices, and customer-focused strategy. Conclusion is many acquisitions fail due to an overemphasis on financial synergies. Developing a robust outside-in strategy can guide successful. The article is more focused on customer-oriented rather than specific operational FOQ.
And then we will discuss about ABC inventory planning.
ABC analysis is an inventory management technique that determines the value of inventory items based on their importance to the business. ABC ranks items on demand, cost, and risk data, and inventory managers group items into classes based on those criteria. This helps business leaders understand which products or services are most critical to the financial success of their organization. Class criteria in ABC class-based. The criteria for each class in the ABC classification, according to Reed and Sanders, 2017, are as follows. 1. Class A, inventories that have a high annual rupiah volume value. This class represents around 60% to 80% of inventory costs. 2. Class B, inventory with a medium annual volume value. Class B representing 25% to 35% of the cost of inventory. 3. Class C, goods with a low annual volume value, which only represents around 5% to 15% of the cost of inventory. Grouping products using the ABC class-based method helps determine the importance of each product by dividing them into 3 classes: A, B, and C. The steps in this classification are: 1. List products, their requested quantities and prices. 2. Calculate each product's total turnover. 3. Sort products by total turnover from largest to smallest. Class A includes fast-moving products contributing 60% to 80% of turnover, while Class C includes slow-moving products that contribute 5% to 15%. ABC inventory analysis is calculated by multiplying the annual sales of an item by its cost. This analysis helps identify high-priority goods and informs where to focus resources. It also assists in controlling working capital costs, reducing obsolete inventory, and increasing inventory turnover rates. ABC analysis offers several benefits for inventory management. It helps optimize inventory by identifying products in demand, allowing companies to stock these items efficiently while keeping lower stock levels for less critical products. It improves inventory forecasting accuracy by monitoring high-demand products, which aids in setting inventory levels and prices, ultimately boosting revenue. Additionally, better pricing strategies can result from increased sales of popular items, enhancing profitability. ABC analysis can inform better negotiations with suppliers, especially for high-revenue Class A items, allowing for cost savings. Strategic resource allocation is another benefit, as it ensures that resources align with customer demand, adapting as needed. This analysis also enhances customer service by providing higher service levels for the most profitable items. It supports better product life cycle management, control over high-cost items, sensible stock turnover rates, reduced storage expenses, and simplified supply chain management through effective inventory data evaluation.